Hey everybody. All right, this is your boy Robert. We're here at Hoover Dam in actually Arizona and Nevada. Here with the family in Las Vegas. And great place to be, engineering marvel, all of that. But what I love about this place the most, it's the only place where you can say damn all the time. It's like Hoover Dam and this dam and Navajo Dam and all kinds of dams. So for all those people who just want to cuss freely and not have the parents like get upset with them, come on down to Hoover Dam. Who gives a hot Hoover Dam? All right. This is Robert. Hoover Dam. Talk to you later. There's Dam again. Bye. Boop, Dam, oh, Dam.